Today we're going to learn how to add video to your Emarsys email campaigns to increase your audience engagement. Here's the details.
Alright, let's jump straight into it. In your Playable account, go to Videos and select the video that you'd like to embed to your Emarsys email template. So I'm going to choose this one as an example, and on the left panel, let's click on the Embed tab. From the drop-down list, select Emarsys, and this is to make sure that our video will be optimized for Emarsys emails. Once done, hit the Copy to Clipboard button to grab the embed code, and let's switch over to Emarsys. In Emarsys, let's find Channels and click Email Campaigns and hit on the Create Email on the top right. Make sure to select block-based email if it prompts you. Now I'm going to select this template for tutorial. So now that our template is ready, basically what we wanted to do is to paste our embed code into one of these text blocks. So yeah, if you click on this text field, you'll see this Emarsys scripting language snippet button pop up where we can paste our embed code. And right now we're just going to add a new text block into the email. So I'm just going to drag one into the email body and perhaps delete all the text so that we'll only see the video. And again, I'm going to click this Emarsys scripting language button, rename the snippet into Playable, and under code snippet, I'll paste the Playable embed code and click OK. So just click Save. All right. And in the meantime, yeah, maybe we'll just update the name into something else. Playable test. In my case, click Save again, and it's still saving, but I think it's actually good to go. So I'll click Go to Campaigns to find out. And there's our Playable test. I'll click the Preview button, and there you go. There's your video.
Well, that was easy. Adding video to your email campaigns also increases the reach of your video to include your best audience, your email list. Please check out some other videos and click on the link below to start your 30-day free trial. And please click the subscribe link to stay updated with all the video, email, news and tips. And we'll see you next time.